This is the secret to the best steak in the world. Here I'm using 300 grams of kebabs. I added 1 tablespoon of oil and now I just spread it all over the steak. The amount of salt is to taste. Here I'm using coarse salt, but you can also use the salt of your choice. Let's take this steak and put in a very hot skillet and leave it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, just turn the stick and leave it again for another 30 seconds, just to seal. Now remove the steak and set aside. In the same skillet, add 3 tablespoons of butter. After the butter melts and starts bubbling, just add the steak. For the steak to be perfect, just start to bathe it with butter. Use a spoon to pour over. Do this for 30 seconds and then turn the steak and repeat the process. After the steak starts to brown, add 4 cloves of garlic. For a special touch, also add 3 sprigs of rosemary. The steak point is according to your preference. Mine, I left doing this process for 7 minutes. The steak is ready and we'll pass it to a plate. For the steak to be perfect, just let it sit for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, just leave and be amazed by the result. Here was the point, but as I said, the point is your preference. I'm sure this is the best steak you ever eat. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching.